Hey everybody, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. For you newcomers, my name is Danielle Wheeler and welcome to Willing Towards Success. So I told you guys in previous videos that I had a nice surprise for you. Well, guess what? We're here at the tanning bar and we have a guest, my little sister, who's gonna get her legs waxed. See, in previous videos we didn't talk about that. But that is another form of hair removal. So let's go see, I guess, what's pulling.
Today, this is going to clean off any bad bacteria that she may have it on her, so she won't get any reactions from the wax.
Cool.
I already did the other side, so I'm just going to do this right leg, left leg.
So they know that's like equivalent to alcohol, right?
Yes.
It's better, right?
Better. It's not as harsh on the skin and won't dry her skin out. So while this side is drying, I'm just going to place some baby powder on the other side. This is going to help so the wax doesn't stick to the skin as much, so it's not as painful.
Oh, nice. I didn't know that.
Me either. Yeah, girl. So I'm like, this don't hurt. I don't know what y'all talking about.
Ooh, I might have to try my side.
Well, what?
Me too, young. Just be quiet and enjoy this one.
What? So before I start, I like to test and see what wax works better. We have two different kinds. One is a hard wax and then one is a soy wax.
Ooh.
So I want to start with the hard just to see how her skin reacts to it.
Nice.
Yeah, everyone is different, so you can't give everyone the same thing.
Oh my lord.
Don't be scared.
Don't be scared.
So the hard wax, the good thing about the hard wax is it doesn't stick to the skin, so it literally only pulls the hair.
Nice.
The bad thing about it, it takes a little longer because I have to build a layer on it. Alright, and we just have to wait for it to dry a little. Alright, watch out. I'm gonna test the other leg. Don't be scared, bro. I promise. It's not gonna hurt.
Hot.
I know.
Are you catching this expression?
Stop. Alright, I'm gonna
I should have put this on my phone.
Don't.
I didn't.
Oh.
Did it hurt?
It hurt a little bit.
Not really?
No.
Oh, yay!
See? It's not as bad as you think.
Good job.
Karen, you still want to get this on? It didn't hurt, y'all.
What did you
It didn't hurt that much for me.
get?
I got hurt. Oh, okay, so it's not that bad.
Mm-mm.
That's cool. So y'all got me in this video running my big old mouth.
Yes.
You took it right there.
That wasn't too bad, was it? This is the soy wax. It's gonna pick up those little bit of hairs that the hard wax didn't.
Do you mind if I stand up? I just wanted to see.
Most people call it strip. This one may hurt more than the other one.
It is. Nice.
Who would have died? Definitely hurt you.
Who would have died? I said the die.
I mean,
You couldn't even speak.
It went fast, so like it kind of didn't like really hurt that bad.
and you still got hair left, son. My name is Danielle Wheeler. I'm located at the Tannin Bar at 1512 Frankfort Avenue. We're open from Tuesday to Sunday from 10 a.m. to 8 p.m.